Hey there, Buy Smart fam! Today, we're diving into the skies with two incredible drones from Holy Stone. On the left, we have the Holy Stone GPS drone HS175D, and on the right, the Holy Stone drone HS430. Buckle up because this is going to be one heck of a flight comparison. Let's start with the cameras. The HS175D boasts a 4K ultra-clear camera with a 110 degrees wide angle and 90 degrees adjustability. That's right, folks, you can finally capture your neighbor's dog doing backflips in ultra-high definition. Meanwhile, the HS430 offers a respectable 1080p camera. Sure, it's not 4K, but it gets the job done for those Instagram stories. If the HS175D is the Spielberg of drones, then the HS430 is like your Uncle Bob with a camcorder. But hey, Bob's videos are still fun at family reunions, right? Now let's talk flight features. The HS175D comes with GPS auto return, altitude hold, and a bunch of other fancy modes. It's like the Tesla of drones. It practically flies itself. And if it gets lost, it'll come back home. Just like my ex never did. The HS430, on the other hand, is packed with fun features like high-speed rotation, circle fly, and even voice control. Imagine yelling, "Do a flip!" and your drone actually does it. Talk about a party trick. Battery life is crucial, right? The HS175D gives you a whopping 46 minutes of flight time with its two batteries. That's enough time to film your entire neighborhood's barbecue from the sky. The HS430 offers nearly half an hour of flight time with its two modular batteries. Sure, it's not as long, but it's still enough to impress your friends before they get bored and start playing video games again. When it comes to portability, the HS175D is foldable and comes with a carrying case. Perfect for those who like to travel in style. It's like the Louis Vuitton of drones. The HS430, though, can fit in the palm of your hand. It's so compact, it makes your smartphone look like a brick. This is the drone you want if you're always on the go, or if you just have really small pockets. Finally, let's talk user experience. The HS175D is great for beginners and comes with features like one-key takeoff, landing, and speed adjust. It's so easy, even your grandma could fly it. The HS430 is the ultimate toy for kids and beginners. With features like gesture control and throw to go, you'll feel like a wizard commanding a tiny flying robot. Wingardium Leviosa, anyone? Reviewers love the HS175D for its ease of use, impressive picture quality, and stable flight features. It's highly recommended for beginners and those looking for a reliable, high-quality drone. On the other hand, the HS430 is praised for its fun features, decent camera quality, and value for money. While it may lack some advanced capabilities, it's a hit among both beginners and experienced drone enthusiasts. So there you have it, folks. The HS175D is the premium choice for those who want all the bells and whistles, while the HS430 is the budget-friendly option that still packs a lot of fun. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss a smart buy. Until next time, keep flying high and buying smart. Product links are in the description.